Hello, hello, hello. I know, I've been a few days, but as you can see by the state of the face, it's been a busy few days. I'm just not had a chance. Why is my rabbit in the Hoover? It's not a real rabbit, don't worry. It's my Easter bunny that I got. Look! I'm going to put my filter back on because I'm a mucky bugger and I haven't done it yet. So Mr. Producer was worried that I'd not be able to remember how to do it because it's been such a while since I took it off, he says. I'm going to do it on the bed as well. Ta-da! Make sure it doesn't come off. There we go, it's on. Locked in. See, on the top, it says lock that way, unlock that way, you see. That's how I know how to do it, Mr. Producer. I read the instructions. I don't know how to do this bit though. Which way round does it go? I half expected it to fall off when I picked it off the bed. But it hasn't, look, it stayed on. Lift it up again. These hand gestures are really lovely, Mr. Producer. Sit there. You mean like that? No? What am I doing wrong then? The handle. Does it have to go over there, does it? I don't think it does. I think it goes the other way. Well then, why are you telling me how to do it if you don't know how to do it, Mr. Producer? It might be that way, because that way it hits that back. Alright, smart arse. Don't you just hate it when you're right? There we go, Mr. Producer. You were right. I'm going to give a quick demo on hoovering, making sure I put everything in right. And then I got a lovely job to go and do, which you guys are joining me on. So don't think that you're not. But first I'm going to see if I get static again off of hoovering. Because for some reason, with all that talcum powder... Mr. Producer, where's my tube? Why is it down there? Oh, because you washed it out. It's in my lovely bathroom. Is it drying? Should I go and get it? Are you going to wait here for me? Okay. I will explain what I'm doing in a minute. I couldn't see it. I literally couldn't see it. And they're thinking, yeah, I hung it over the radiators, I can't see it. And he hadn't, he'd hung it in the shower. So yes. Let's plug it in. Yes, like I was saying, because of all the talcum powder that was in, I was getting very static. Every time you touched the metal pole, it would get a static attack. And it hurt. So I'm hoping by emptying the Hoover bag, changing the Hoover bag and washing it out, it ain't going to static attack me again. Should we turn around to find out? I'm not holding the metal bit first. No static attack. this again. There we go. So the job that I've got to do, I have got to go and hoover the toilet and maybe steam mop it. But the reason why I have that to do is Mr. Producer's been a busy man and painted it for me. So I've just got to go in and clean it up a little bit because he's made a bit of a mess. So I'm going to hoover it and maybe steam mop it. So would you like to come and join me? Yes? Bye for now. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like it for me, guys. Subscribe to me on my channel and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. And I will talk to you all very, very soon. Goodbye. Say goodbye to the Hoover. I'm going, Mr. Producer. He thinks I'm not being quick enough. And then he moans when I am too quick. Make his mind up. He's worse than a woman. I can get hold of the tail. It ain't working. I'm leaving the building.